everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back here to show you the easiest way that I know how to make a bun. This bun is virtually pain-free and really foolproof, okay? I'm going to be using swirly curly Afro Puff scrunchie to create the ponytail. The reason why I love to use the swirly curly Afro Puff scrunchie is because it's so easy to maneuver around my hair. I don't have to pull my hair through a ponytail holder with this, and I have a lot of hair, so it makes a lot of sense to use this versus a regular ponytail holder. Not only that, but it doesn't cause a lot of tension on my hairline like typical ponytails holders will do, because it's not too tight. It doesn't need to be tight. For what? I'm tender-headed. I don't want a super tight bun, ponytail, or anything, okay? So I have my ponytail made, and I like to readjust it, the position of it, because if I don't, I'm going to get a headache because I'm tender-headed, okay? With me, I need to find a golden spot on where to place my bun if I'm going to have a good day. So once I found the golden spot, I simply maneuver my hair into a bun. And as you can see, the way I do it is simply by wrapping it around each other to hold it in place. It's kind of hard to explain in words, but I didn't fast forward it too much for you so you guys can see what I'm doing. And I don't have to worry about it being super tight or super neat, because that's the point. I don't want it to be super tight. And the way that I get it to be super neat is by using a hairnet. Yes, the hairnet will help to hold any stragglers. It'll help to keep it in place, and it makes it easier to shape with the hairnet. I don't have to use any pins, nor do I have to use any additional ponytail holders or another Afro Puff scrunchie or nothing like that. I can just wrap it around and then tuck it in the bun, and that's really all I have to do to make my perfect bun. You see, I only used an Afro Puff scrunchie. I didn't need anything else. As you can see, as I wiggle my head, my bun stays in place, okay? I'm not, gonna be doing cartwheels or anything like that, because that probably will make my bun fall out. But in what condition would I need to do a cartwheel spontaneously? I don't. So this bun is gonna do it for me. And it should be enough to suit your needs as well, depending on what you're doing. If you're, doing less action in your day, this will be perfect for you. And as usual, you can use my code to get a discount on your swirly curly Afro Puff scrunchie. It's on the screen and in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.
Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.keishacharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.